asking about audio, so I'm not going to. Let me just quickly do this. And I'll pause for a second. What I'm doing, in case you can't see the webinar and you are online, is I'm just highlighting the call-in numbers to make sure that they see them. And they write them down. Okay, so now we'll just go ahead and fast forward and we'll dive right in. Oops, and I forgot to turn off call waiting. Okay, so the basics. What are the basics? First of all, don't complicate things. Okay, the market really is a simple affair. Things can get complex. I admit that, but they're not complicated. Okay, by complex I mean there are a lot of moving parts, but it's not complicated. It's not something that's difficult to understand. Okay, so here's literally what I mean by the basics. Understand the difference between a short position and a long position. If you have a short position, that means you think that your chart is going to start going down. If you have a long position, it simply means that you think the chart is going to start or continue going up. You have to know your broker platform. Now this means you should practice placing orders, modifying orders, canceling orders. Understand how you can change your broker platform. If you have a broker that trades in many currency pairs and you're only focusing on a couple, then maybe you should take those other currency pairs off of your broker platform. You don't need to look at the euro yen and the pound yen and the euro Swiss and the euro Canadian and all these different currency pairs if you're not going to be trading them. And by practicing placing orders, I mean if you just look at the chart and you don't even have to have an opinion, but you just go through the process of knowing what the different parts are, knowing what the different numbers mean. That's very important because broker platforms can vary. Now, I do cover this in the course. I go over two brokers. One of them is interbankfx.com, and the other one is efx.com or MB Trading. Both of those brokers have good to fairly good reputations online. More importantly, though,